Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Okay, so I was discussing when we go into the table view. We went into the corporate data model under that HRS element and we went into the first column, location group, and there I just try to change the label here. Up to here, it is clear. Yes. After this in the location group only, if you want to see the HRS field, then you can see the third column, HRS field, where you can click on the plus sign. How many fields are there, including the standard and the custom? 76 fields are shown. Right. So here, when we click on the plus sign, can you see again that HRS field? You can see the attributes, you can see heading length, ID visibility, required label. Right. Yeah. Okay, so here you can see it starts with external code. Okay, so external code. These all are the IDs. If you want to see the label of this external code, what you need to do? You have to click on the label part here. So what is the name here showing? Location, group ID right. If I want to make some slight modification, let me underscore ID if I'm just doing like this, okay. I'm showing you how to do the corrections or do the changes. Okay. There won't be any change, any impact in the ID right. If you want to increase the length, also you can increase. You can do. If you want to change the visibility to none, also that is also possible. Similarly, if you can see name also, when you go into the name I will click on the label part. You can see the name it is showing us. Look, location, group name, right. Yeah, right. So just I'm making some slight changes. So when I'm making changes, I just want to show you it is reflecting in the front and the bottom. Okay, that is the whole purpose. I made the changes. There won't be any impact here. Okay. Now you have a description also. You can see label part, status, start date and date. Can you see, here the custom strings are starting right. Yeah, custom string which I told you in the source mode also. Okay. So when I go back into the system, let me open, manage also pay structure. Okay, it's still browsing. Just give me some moment and I will go to manage or job pay structure. And I will open it and I will go to location group. Okay, I'm going to go to location group. I'm going into the location group. And I'm selecting some location group here. So you can see here the location area and location area list how it is coming. This is a custom one. So when I go into the XML you can see custom string 1 right. Yeah. Okay. So if I'm just going here into the label, can you see here? Location, area. Correct. It is showing here. If I'm making this visibility as none. Okay, making this visibility as none already I created it. And another also I created that is custom string to when you go here. You can see here. Location area list. Can you see there's the same thing it is reflecting here? Any doubt? I mean, you didn't upload it, but how is it getting different? In my previous batches I am telling to you, in my previous batches I already created it. That's the reason it is showing. Now, what I am doing, I am making the changes to hide it so that when we import it it should not show. Now it is showing right here. These two are because these two I created in the XML. Now what I will do. I will keep it as none. Okay. Okay. So that the purpose is that these two custom string, these two custom fields should not reflect. And if I want to go and create a new custom, so can you tell me what will be the possible custom field we can create for location group? ID. Is there name? Is there description status? What field we can create? Location group. Okay. Location subgroup we can create. So what I will do. I will just edit this. Location subgroup. So I will just edit this. Okay. Okay. And this is none, right? I will make it both. Okay. And I will keep the character as 32, right? Length. Okay. So what are the changes I made? I made the changes to the code label, made the changes to the name custom field, I have made it none and custom again a new custom field. I created it. Okay. Is it clear? These are the changes which I have done in the XML. Okay. This is for which? His element location group. Right now, the same thing. Whatever changes you make in the table view, same thing will be reflecting in the source. So when I go into the source, you can see here custom strings, you can see. And when I go and see the label, can you see the label? Subgroup, it is coming. Yeah. Right. And let me see up. Can you see? Visibility as none. Custom string. Okay. And similarly for custom string 1 also. Visibility as 1. Okay. Now what we will do. I will just save it. Whatever changes I have made, I will just save it. Okay. After making the changes, what I will do. I was in the table view. OK. I have done it. For which element? Location group right. I have changed the label for location group. Certain fields I have hidden. Certain fields label, I have changed. And custom field also. I have. New custom field. I created it. OK. After this, I save it and I will close it. OK.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.